We're trapped like rats.
Speak for yourself.
I'll take care of this.
Hey, I got an idea. I'm a picking a circumstance.
Remind me to kill you later.
I'll make a note of it. I ain't got a pencil. You fixed everything. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh! Ooh, stubborn, eh?
Hey, Chucklehead, did you get the tools?
What tools?
The tools we've been using for the last 10 years.
Oh, those tools. Yeah, I got them.
Yeah, those tools.
Calling Dr. Curly! Calling Dr. Curly! What do you want? Listen, you onion head, you march yourself right in here and wash this door.
Oh, you do it yourself.
Oh, mutiny, eh?
Yeah, mutiny. It's not on a bounty. Yeah.
Now come on in here like I told you. Hey, wait a minute!
What do you want?
Help me out, I'm stuck!
Are you sure?
I'm positive, I can't move!
Oh. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me not.
Oh, I'll fix you! I'll fix you! Oh, yes. Hey, let's finish her up so a flying we can go. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. A flying we will go. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. A flying we will go.
She was bred in old Kentucky, but she's only a crumb up here. She's not neat and double-jointed with a cauliflower ear. Someday we shall be married, and if vegetables get too dear, I'll cut myself a nice big slice of her cauliflower ear.
Hey, I got an idea. Wahoo! Come on, wait a minute. We're on a rhythm. Well, now I say 3, we'll both yank together. 1. What comes after 1? 2. 1, 2, 3. We got him. Are you okay, Mo? Talk to me. Say if you... That ain't Mo.
Shut up, you splinter brain. He's still up there.
Whoa! You nitwit. Come on, you guys, step on it. We gotta get rid of this jalopy today. Now cut out the nonsense.
Leave him alone.
Quiet.
Right palm itches. What's that a sign of?
Your hand's dirty. Remind me to kill you later.
I'll make a note of it. I ain't got a pencil.
Well, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do it now.
Oh!
Spread out.
You fixed everything. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh! We're trapped like rats.
Speak for yourself.
I'm a picking a circumstance.
Stupid, ain't he?
Look who's talking. Get out of here.
Switch on.
Switch on.
Switch on.
It is on.
What are you doing down there, Mo?
Get me out of suffocating.
Wait a minute. Maybe this will help.
Oh! 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 Get me out! Oh! Oh!
No use. Oh! The anvil! Let's break it off. Take your time, take your time.
Now look, lay it right down there like that.
No, take it easy.
4?
Oh!
Say, if we heat it, it'll slip off. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
I'm a picking a steak stand.
No. Oh! Wait a minute. We'll twist him out. What do you say?
Oh! Not that! Wait a minute! Oh!
Got you out, didn't we?